This is my video for the Unit 1 case problems. I'm going to start out, these are where my files are. Unit 1 case problems, Carly's motto, and the second one, well, Sammy's motto. Get that out of the way. We'll start off with Carly's motto. You've got your access specifier up here is public, and then your keyword class, which this is the class name. Say just Java, of course. When you move down here, and all this is just saying is that the main method over here doesn't have any objects or anything, and you pass through it. Down here, you use the system class, and it gives you the PRINTLN tool where you can print a literal string, and that's what I'll do now. And that should just appear on the screen down here, and there it is. Okay, we'll go on to the second one, clean that up. Same deal through here, except you've got it a few times just to show the asterisk going around the motto. And there we go. Now we'll open up the second one. Okay. Start off over here. It's the same situation as the first one, except we're going to have a different string in here. Okay, there we are. Move on to the second one. We've got multiple lines that are being printed out again. And there we are. That's it.